What makes a story irresistible? How can one weave a narrative that captivates the audience and keeps them hooked till the end? In the world of YouTube, storytelling is not just an art, it's a powerful tool that can make or break your content. Take the example of the wildly successful YouTuber, Peter McKinnon. With over 5 million subscribers and counting, he has mastered the art of storytelling in his videos. His vlogs aren't just about photography and cinematography, they're about his life, his experiences, and his perspectives. Peter's style of storytelling is not just about sharing content, it's about making his audience feel like they're part of the journey. He builds emotional connections, creating narratives that resonate with his viewers on a personal level. Peter McKinnon's success is a testament to the power of storytelling. It's about creating a world where your viewers willingly immerse themselves. It's about weaving a narrative that sparks curiosity, fosters engagement, and builds a bridge of empathy between you and your audience. So, how does one create engaging narratives that resonate with the audience? Here are some key points to remember. First, know your audience. Understanding their interests, their passions, and their concerns can help you craft stories that resonate with them. Second, be authentic. Authenticity fosters trust, and trust is the foundation of any lasting relationship. Be true to yourself, and your audience will respond in kind. Third, keep it simple. The most compelling stories are often the simplest. Don't overcomplicate your narrative. Let your story flow naturally. Fourth, make it relatable. Your story should be something your audience can relate to. The more they can see themselves in your narrative, the more engaged they will be. Fifth, use emotion. Emotion is a powerful tool in storytelling. It has the power to move people, to inspire them, to make them feel. In conclusion, storytelling is a potent tool in the YouTube universe. It's not just about sharing content, it's about creating an experience. It's about crafting a narrative that resonates with your audience, that builds emotional connections, and that keeps them coming back for more. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, remember this: your story matters. So tell it well.